Hello everyone, welcome back to Tom Hacks channel. So today I would like to show you the tutorials how to do a time photo or do a timer when we want to take a picture on iOS or iPhone. So sometimes we need to put our phone into several things so that we can do a group photo or in a wide photo without any direct access into the screen. So here there is the way. First thing, we need to have an access into the camera. Open the camera and then make sure you are on the photo sections. And then if you can see on the upper button there are three buttons there. On the left side there is flash, on the middle there is like upper arrow, on the right side there is a live photos options. And now you just need to simply click the middle button and then you will be generated into the several options on the bottom, which is the flash, live options, and then there is a ratio options, and then on right after the ratio there is a symbol, looks like a clock, and you just need to click the symbol and then you will be having access into the timer. There is in three options. First is timer off, the second is 3 seconds timer, and then 10 seconds timer. If you want to make longer, just click the 10 second, but if you want to make it fast, just click the 3 second. I want to make it fast, so just click the 3 second, and then now the timer is on. You just need to click it and then have a pause. Wait until it's clicked. Right, the picture is already captured. So that's all for today's tutorial. Hopefully you find it so useful for you. Don't forget to leave comment, like, and subscribe into this channel. Bye bye.